everyone, it's HD Fishing. Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having a good day. So, I'm going to be doing something a bit different than some of my other videos. I'm just going to be taking one rod and reel and using one lure. So I've got a little Wacky rig Senko, and I've got two little tiny split shot weights a few inches above worm. So I'm just going to be taking this rod along with a few other extra Senkos in case I lose this one, which I probably will. Some NETBAIT bluegill colored Senkos 5-inch. Those are really good quality Senkos if you're looking to find some cheap Senkos. Good quality though. So let's see if we can go catch anything, and I'll see you all at the beach. Got one. There we go. Little guy. First little bass of the day. There we go. On the Senko. Stole my worm. Alright guys, it is now, what time is it? It's like 7:30 p.m. now, and I'm back outside. I took a break for a few hours just because fishing in Texas in the summer in 100-degree heat plus humidity, it is not the most fun thing to do. So I'm out here now, and I'm gonna try to catch more fish on this little NETBAIT bluegill colored 5-inch salt lick Senko. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Don't go in the grass. Don't jump either. Come on. Yeah, yes. It's a better one than earlier. It's dark. Nice, pretty bass. There we go, buddies. This buddy's trying to bite me. Dang. Nice, though. Pretty healthy bass. Beautiful fish. Hey. But, hey. This worm was thrown by you. I appreciate that, little guy. Appreciate catching you, though. That's always a pleasure. Ready? I didn't even realize I had one. Alright. There's a little bass. I thought I saw something with it, but then I didn't think that something actually did have it. There we go. Third fish on the Senkos. This is the smallest one so far, but it came off of the same spot that last fish I caught yesterday came off of. Tiny little guy though. There's one. That feels like a better one. Kind of. Not too bad. Still little. There we go, guys. Fourth one. He's bleeding a bit. Let's get him back. Hey everyone. So I wanted to add this little brief instructional portion into the video. So I wanted to show the people who don't really know how to fish a Wacky rig Senko and what it is, and I wanted to let everyone know what it is, a Wacky rig Senko, how do you fish it, and what you need to know about it. So I stepped away from all the fountain and the noise from the pond, and I wanted to go to this quiet little place and show you a little something of what I know. So these are actually my favorite Senkos on the market. A lot of people say Gary Yamamoto Senkos. I agree, those are really, really good, but most people cannot afford those because a lot of anglers are younger, so not all of us can really afford a lot of the Senkos. These are a lot cheaper, they are more affordable, and they're still really, really high quality. So these are the 5-inch in bluegill color, so they call their Senkos Salt Lick. So they're the 5-inch Salt Lick, and they are all 10 count. So, what's it say? It's got salt, scent, and pork fat. So whenever you have the salt and scent, and then some sort of extra liquid type, so in this case they have pork fat, it makes the fish believe that whatever they're biting onto is more real. So this just, it says to make the fish bite and hang on. So it's just a really good Senko in my opinion. These are truly a really great quality and brand of Senko. So this is the little Senko right here. As you can see, it's like a bluish black color. And this part, ignore that part, I've already used this one before. So it's bluish black, and then it's got blue and lime green specks in it, so it's supposed to imitate a bluegill. So this is the package, and yeah, so I wanted to show you also how to rig it and how to fish it. So right now I've got these two little split shot weights on it just to help it sink faster, because I've got 12-pound fluorocarbon on it right now, and it doesn't sink very fast. So what you do to rig it, well, first actually let's go over the setup. It's a spinning setup, obviously you want to use, because it's more finesse of a bait. So what you do is I fold it slightly in half like this, and you can hook it right through the middle. You want a little hook. This is like specifically a drop shot hook, but it works great for Wacky rigged Senkos also. So that's what that looks like. You put it there. You can also get the little keepers with the O-ring, I think they're called, but that's to help it keep it on. But I don't have any of those because you don't need them with these plastics, because these are really durable and can withstand these fish tugging on it. So that's what a Wacky rig Senko looks like. And then to fish it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cast it out. You can cast it in the middle, you can cast it up along the bank. You just let it sink for a few seconds, and then you twitch it. Slightly just twitch of your rod. You do that 2, 3, 4 times, and then you let it sink for a couple seconds. So you let it just go down more, and then it can sway down, and it can just sink. So then you pop it again,
makes the worm bend like that, so it goes like that really in the water. So it's a really good presentation, and I think these are really easy to fish. Yeah, so these catch a lot of fish in general, and because it's just a very finesse and versatile way of fishing. There's also many other ways you can fish a Senko, not just wacky rigging, Texas rig it, even throw it on like shaky head. But this is my favorite way of fishing it, just because it catches the finicky fish, and it's just a really finesse presentation. So I hope everyone learned a bit from this if you don't know how to fish a wacky rig Senko. And I hope that this will help you catch more fish using the wacky rig Senko. So I hope everyone enjoys the video. Let's go catch some fish.